Good morning! Right, welcome back to the farm. Thank you for all the kind comments in the last video, sort of explaining the situation around back my place, how we haven't got our cows there anymore. Everyone seemed to be really understanding. It's just one of those situations that it is what it is, and we are where we are. So back on the farm today after having Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday off last week, so 5 days. I mean Thursday, Saturday and Sunday were my days off anyway. Just happened to be my weekend off. But yeah, went away, saw some family. Yeah, had a good little break just before calving starts, and it has begun. So whilst I was away last week on Wednesday, I believe the first calf was born, and then there was one born on Friday as well. So 2 calves. So we'll show you a little bit later on. What you're about to see now, this morning, is we've been over to the park where all the heifers are, picked out the ones that have got sort of visible udder, brought them home. So that is what you're going to see now. Just to say if they got udder or not?
Yeah, really. I mean, like that 484 can go out, the bull can go out. I mean, if you go in there, you can keep them back up what we want. So we'll keep her. So Joshua. Bull can go out. Bulls can go out.
4 bulls here in a
yeah. Oh, hang on, I'm not sure about the white one there. Right, that's it. Now try and sieve them through. Or do you want me to go and...
That's not got any udder. That's not got any udder.
Right, let them see if you can go it. We'll get an idea. Right, there's a bull. Turn that bull out. Will that heifer go, Rick?
Yeah, yeah.
And that white heifer can go.
Yeah.
All of that can go.
Yeah, all of that can go. Yeah, and that Monty can go out, can't she?
Yeah.
Stay still.
And that friendly one can go
out. That black one can probably go out. That'll be that one can go out. Yeah, but that's why you meant this.
So that would...
I'll come down and make a rash decision, then you come on the gate, Rick. Yeah, you come on the gate. No, what happened was, we'd already got some out, and it's not enough room, we can do it.
That is what happened. Out.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey.
Oh, no.
Right, let that one out. Stop that one, Millie, I need to go out. That's it. Alright, don't worry.
Yeah, that's right, that's correct.
Yeah, I'm doing...
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, I feel like we're at the circus.
Out. Keep that one.
Mind your back.
That is not a funny joke, Richard. This is a very stressful
go out,
job.
Rick. Out.
Richard, have you? Great running from you, Josh. Yep. Oh, wow, that's rude.
Hey, leave it, decide, leave it. Right, out.
Stop the problem, isn't it? You worry. If you let one go there, you'll get told. Oh.
Well, it's better to go that way.
Again anyway. Out.
Please don't jump out.
Got a jumper there.
Keeping that one.
Keeping.
And that one.
The black one.
Ooh.
Well done.
Yeah, it can go out.
Oh, that was the poorly one.
She's going to keep trying to... She's trying to jump. Could we have someone up here, do you think?
Yeah, you can do.
We've got a jumper.
Oh, we want you there, really.
Where do you want me?
There, really. That's where they're trying to jump.
Right, there, that's it.
There's a gate there, Rob, actually.
There's a gate further up.
Yeah.
Right, keep that one for a second. This one can go out.
Go on, speed up. Thank you.
Should we hold hands?
No,
Make it
it's not
easier?
going to work.
Right, this one out, Rick.
Flat there, so go ahead.
Yeah.
I want to take the sub over, I've got everyone.
That's a chainsaw massacre.
Huh?
Oh, Rosie's coming. It's a fast start. He's off the line. Go. Meow. Good girls. Here he goes. Whew.
Standing will jump up over the fence into North Withing.
Come back North Withing.
And then just take a bit of a steady, you need to run down.
Yeah.
And then if you stand in North Withing gateway, you get...
Right, so as you can see, we are running some heifers home. So we've picked out everything that's got sort of visible udder. Might be the first ones to calve. So they're currently down below that hedge somewhere. And so the front of the pack is just here somewhere. And just, I don't know, another couple 100 metres along this road. We've got a gateway that goes in, and then we've got a cow track all the way back to the farm. So I don't know what it is, maybe a mile and a half on the road. And then there's some cow tracks that can help us get them home. I'm out of breath. I'm so unfit. And once these are home, they're going to be split into what is due to dairy replacement, so black and white as we'll call it, and what is due to beef. So they're either due to Friesian replacement or to an Angus. And what we do is we keep them separate. So basically anything that is due to a Friesian or black and white is got no record of yonis, no parental record of yonis. So everything else is to beef. There might be some that are positive yonis or mothers that are positive yonis, so it's just trying to do a good job of keeping on top of that. Also then when we start calving, we can snatch the black and white heifers and give them their colostrum straight away and know it's all kosher. Here's the front of the pack.
We're going to plan.
Yeah, so far. Well done, heifers. Keep going. We all got a stick just to wave at them if they go somewhere we don't want them to, but they're so heavy in calve, like they're only probably 10 days, 2 weeks away from calving, that they're going really nice and steady, which is good. Very well behaved. So this is one of the first jobs we did when I started working. It was running them the other way. If you haven't seen that video, you can go and check it out. I don't know, 6 weeks later, 2 months, well, probably now August. It's pretty much 3 months later. They're coming home. Rich is on traffic duty, stopping the cars. So yeah, so a fair bit further back to the farm, but we got tracks from here on. I will stay here.
Abby, if you want, you go with Richard, I'll go behind, then you can help him the other end then.
Woohoo! Shut the gate, shut the gate, shut the gate, shut the gate. That counts as shut, doesn't it?
Yeah.
If Richard can chuck you in the back, you shall be impressed.
I just need 420.
420?
420. They're all going out there. Any number I say so.
Okay.
423.
423.
Sorry, Josh said 424. Dairy.
You didn't.
Alright, well it's fine. I had 424 twice. Dairy. Should we have a change of plan now? If you shut the gates, it's easier to send the beef ones back, because I can't.
Wait a minute.
Can we send the beef up, did you say?
Yes, you can, yeah.
Yeah, we can, but we just got to open the gate.
Yeah, it's all set up. Just going to get a few more.
That's beef, yeah, that one behind.
Yeah, this one's going, they're all going up now.
Where's that one going out?
Yeah, up.
Beef.
Obviously. But it's not obvious. Oh, yeah. Sorry, Ruby, we're the wrong side going.
480's dairy. That was definitely 478 the next one, isn't it? Cheese dairy, yes, the third one. That one's beef.
Shut the gate.
Shut the gate for a bit, Mum. 478, yeah, all dairy. Yeah, right, there goes the dairy. That's
And then
the dairy.
beef gate again.
Last one, is it?
Yep.
Can you do this, Josh? It's got more air than this.
And then he flipped and places next.
Yes.
At least the poo's gone.
So you've just seen us bring home the heifers and split them into the dairy and beef groups. So anything that is due to dairy should be having a heifer calf because they're sex semen. No, it's not always 100%. But they go in one gang. Now what will happen is when we bring the cows back, they'll also be split into dairy and beef, but the cow dairy and the heifer dairy will be separate. Just so you can keep a bit of a closer eye on what's what. Keep the heifers closer just so if they need a hand or whatever, see them a little bit better. The cows should be absolutely fine. But yeah, so the cows will start kicking off probably in 2 weeks time, I reckon. Might have a couple before then. The heifers are probably due to start this coming weekend, but you always get 1 or 2 early. And when you're calving sort of, I don't know, 200 in 4 or 5 weeks, all your early ones are together, aren't they? So that's why we've had some already. But anyway, we're just on emptying the dirty water ditch because that has got full over the last 10 days or so. Abby is back in the parlour. She's just pressure washing the floor because tomorrow they're coming to fit the mats. We might be involved in doing that as well, so that'll be something cool to show you. Gotta love a wide angle shaft. I know you're not empty, tanker, because I can still see stuff in there. The exhaust braking Lovely job. My favourite pedal in the tractor. Obviously running off down the hill, look. Because we're looking downhill, all the water's at the front of the tanker, so I'm spreading up one hedge and then just turning around, coming down on the flat just to empty it. So we'll put the tanker going again there, close it up a sec, build a bit of pressure, turn the macerator on. We're spreading. There's an area of the field we won't venture into. I reckon that's pretty wet in there. Brushes tell you anything. Apologies for the noise, I've not got my little clip-on microphone on today. For anyone who's new, because we've had lots of new subscribers recently, which is fantastic. This is just dirty water in here, so this takes yard runoff from the buildings, the other side of the road, parlour washings and all that sort of thing. There is a big slurry pit at the other side of the cow house. So there's a road here, and then there's a big cow building there that can hold 350 cows. And there's a big slurry lagoon just the other side where all the proper slurry goes. And then where the parlour is there, all the water gets collected and drained, comes under the road via this pipe and into this ditch. And next year this ditch is moving, well, it's actually being filled in. As you can see here, we've got a clean water stream, and there's only like 4.5 metres before the ditch. So you're supposed to be 10 metres away, so this ditch is going. And actually out in that paddock there, we're going to build a big dirty water lagoon, backfill all this, and then we'll be within the legal requirements of what's supposed to be happening. Thing is, this was built years ago when there wasn't such requirements, but obviously now you've got to be 10 metres away from a clean water source with anything like effluent or dirty water. So we're going to be miles away. We're going to be, there's like a bare patch there where we dug a test hole, another one over there, where we're a big square lagoon out there. And then we will be compliant. But for now this holds, I don't know, 7 or 8 tanker loads, so you've got to empty it every time it fills up. When the bigger one is built out there, we'll be able to hold it a lot longer and use it more when you want to, not when you have to. Right, I'm just about to go home for lunch. Here we have a calf. That's a little Angus. So this is the beef shed where the beef calves are going to be living until the guy that's having the calves comes and takes them. But he's lost his voice because he's been shouting all morning. So he sounds like that goat on that meme. I'll see if I can find it. You hear him? And then in this shed, where the heifer calves are, got the water heater there and everything for the milk powder. We've got the one that was born a few days ago, and his mate that's just been born. We've got a brand new one. So it's really simple here, basically just straw bunkers, 10 in there, and as soon as there's 10 in there, we'll start on the next pen. He's all skippy. He's chasing him around thinking it's his mum, but that's good to see him skipping about. That beef calf sounds horrendous. I think he's just lonely. We need a mate for it, really. But yeah, the heifer that's calved is still out there in that group. The dairy ones get snatched just because of Yoni's worries. I know it's not ideal. People don't really like it, but you know, we're taking the calves away anyway. Just feel with them it's better to snatch them ASAP. So yeah, we're now up to 3 calves. Ideal. Had a productive morning, bringing all those cows back. I've pretty much emptied the ditch, so that's ideal. We've got 1 load in the tanker and 1 left. So after dinner, I will quickly finish that. We'll rattle some cows through the parlour. You go in there for a minute. Feed some calves, go home and do it all again tomorrow. Right, we just finished work and I want to go home. And I don't know why it is, but whichever way I go home, there's 2 ways I can go home. Whichever way I go, I always run into some form of traffic chaos. And up front there's a Land Rover, a car, a stock box, obviously something big in front of it, and there's about 4, at least 4, possibly 5 cars behind me. But anyway, no more calves, so we're just on the 3 out of those 3 heifers. It'll all start kicking off properly soon, I would imagine. Gonna do some cow's feet in the morning. Also got the chap coming to fit those parlour mats, so that should be a good job. Looking forward to doing that. We've got all the other routine stuff, feed the dry cows, move their fences, and all that to do. I don't know how long the mats will take in the morning, but we will see. And then we're actually, at the end of the week, we're gonna bring a load of cows home ready for calving, get them on the standing hay back home, so that we can keep a bit of a closer eye on them, because they're probably a fortnight off calving, the cows, but there's 2 or 3 there that have got a little bit of udder coming, so it'd be good to get them home. We'll have to do the same thing we did with the heifers, so bring them home, split them out into dairy and beef, put them in the paddocks they need to go into. So yeah, lots to be done. But anyway, I'm going to sit in traffic for another however long. Yeah, that's great fun. and get home, edit this video for you, and yeah, enjoy the evening. So thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. As I say, we're pushing for 20,000 subs and we're well on the way to getting there, so thank you to everyone who's subbed recently. And yeah, we'll see you in another video very soon. Cheerio.